Hey guys, I have a quick navy and yellow acrylic swipe to share with you today. I'm using fluid paint to pour a beautiful canvas with an explosion of cell action. This was one I wasn't really sure would work well. My fear was that the yellow and navy would mix too much and produce a lot of green. In the end, it worked out wonderfully and I'm extremely satisfied with the results. These colors were a commission request from a client's wedding colors. She had a lovely combination of yellows, gray, and navy. When she told me what she wanted, I went ahead and warned her that there was a possibility of greens coming out when the colors cross over each other. She wasn't too bothered by that, so I was a bit more relaxed going into it. Since I was a bit low on the paint I needed to create the colors I was going for, I ended up buying bottles of craft paint that were already close enough to what I wanted. Craft paints are a little bit thinner than artist grade, so you may not need to add quite as much pouring medium to them. On that note, I mixed these colors with straight Floetrol. If you've seen my videos before, you'll know that my latest obsession is clear cell activator. I create this by adding clear gel medium instead of tinted paint in my activator mixture. I was kind of nervous using it for this one. The clear cell activator tends to take whatever color or mix of colors is at the top of a swipe when it dries to create the lacing color. Instead of one solid color going through the cells, you get multiple colors that shift throughout. I was worried about green lacing, but that seems to have been kept under control. I also tried to keep the swipe fairly light to avoid overmixing the colors on the canvas. I love how these cells turned out. There are cells within cells with multicolored lacing. The way the lacing spreads out at the edges seems to have a few pearl cells make an appearance too. Overall, I'm extremely happy with how this pour turned out, and the client seems thrilled too. I can't wait to see it in its new home. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Make sure you stick around to the end to check out the close-ups of the beautiful cell action this pour created. If you haven't already, take a second to subscribe to my channel. I bring a new video every Tuesday and Friday, so make sure you don't miss the next one. Hope you all enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you next time. Bye!